What is up, YouTube? This is Zach at Dreamedia Home Theater. If you guys are not a subscriber already, make sure you smash that subscribe button down below and give me a big thumbs up on this video. Today we are out here doing a unboxing video of the Focal 300 series in-wall speaker. And this is Zach and Chris at Dreamedia Home Theater. We're gonna be doing something really cool here. We're actually at Chris's house, that home theater dude, his new home theater. And we got before he's actually gonna build this room out, we wanted to utilize this space to create a demo wall of in-wall speakers. Some really affordable, average consumer price range speakers, and give you guys some real thoughts. So we're gonna be installing a bunch of different speakers. We got Focal, Episode, Martin Logan, ELAC, and we're gonna be installing a total of 16 speakers right here in these walls. And to see that content, you guys gotta subscribe to the channel because it's gonna be epic. Anyways, this is just an unboxing video of the 300 series. If you guys would like to purchase, we ship throughout the entire nation and have free consultations. Reach out and show your support. We would love the opportunity to earn your business. All right, guys, let's get into this unboxing. Okay, so we are gonna unbox this guy today, and you gotta subscribe because we're going to be installing this in the wall and showing you step by step how to do that, as well as how to run wires through walls. So, a bunch of interesting content coming your way, guys. Now, the 300 series is kind of the middle of the road for the in-wall speakers that Focal has to offer. You guys know I'm really honored to be a Focal direct dealer, and we have done in-home systems as well. So if you type into our YouTube channel, Dreamedia Focal, you'll see some other videos of people's theaters that have already been completed with this product. I really have been thrilled with the performance of this product. Now they have below this the 100 series, which I actually have right down here. And then they also have the 1000 series, which is pretty new. It just came out within the last quarter. So super, super cool product. Now, we're just gonna be doing an unboxing. Going up to the 300 series, you do get a significant performance jump. And I'll go over some of that here in just a minute, the differences between this and the 100 series. So when you open it up, you're gonna see the warranty card. You do wanna purchase from an authorized reseller, guys. That's very important in case something does happen to your speakers. You got installation guide right here showing you how to do it. And like I said, we're gonna be making a video on that as well. Cutout template, just like all of these other speakers that we're gonna be doing today. You just put it on the wall like that. We're gonna trace it out and then cut out the hole, run the wire. Pretty simple. These do come with a magnetic grill right here, just like the 100 series. Now, one thing that I do notice is they have a paint guard. This is really cool whenever you're doing a full theater build out, because you can actually put the speakers into the wall, and then this pops over the speaker magnetically. See the little magnets right here? And then you can just spray down the walls to paint the room faster, and you don't have to worry about getting paint on your brand new speakers. Because sometimes these theater build outs can take several weeks, if not longer. Okay, so let's get to the good part, the speaker itself. Now, if you watch the unboxing video of the 100 series, you're gonna see massive difference here, guys. Overall build quality is definitely superior. This is the 300 IW6. They do offer LCRs, 3-ways, as well as they have in-ceiling speakers. So everything that you need to complete a surround sound system. Right here, you got a rotatable tweeter. In this model, they go to the aluminum magnesium inverted dome tweeter, and they have a flax woofer. This is a huge step up from the polyglass woofer and the aluminum inverted dome tweeter that you get on the 100 series. You got your level adjustments right here on the front, just like the 100 series. I like they got these little handles here. This is nice in case you do have to remove the speaker from the wall ever. You just pull out on it. And you can see the little clamps right here that'll clamp it into place whenever you do the installation. This is the back of the speaker. Bring it a little closer so you guys can see. This is a little bit more proprietary. Like, if you guys are familiar with their Canta and Aria series, they actually use this flax woofer on those series as well, and they find the flax right there in France. This is getting more into their flagship products, which they use all of their trickle-down technology on. This is a in-house. They manufacture all of their drivers, custom speaker manufacturers. So a little bit different than some of these other products that we're going to be showing you on our speaker shootout. Alrighty guys, well that is a wrap on our unboxing video of the 300 series Focal in-wall speaker. Now, the price tag on this guy is $790 retail. And if you guys would like to purchase this product, we do ship throughout the entire nation with free shipping, and we have free consultations, guys. We would love the opportunity to earn your business. So make sure to reach out today and share your support. We have all the industry-leading manufacturers to choose from, and can't do it without you guys. I really appreciate the support. All right, well, if you like this video, make sure to give me a big thumbs up and smash that subscribe button down below for more. Till next time, this is Zach with Dreamedia Home Theater. Thank you for watching.
Oh my gosh, is that the Dreamedia van in my neighborhood? What? Wait!